Understanding switch statements.
The switch statements are programming structures used to handle multiple possible values for a single variable. Instead of writing many separate if-else conditions, a switch statement allows you to organize your code more clearly. It tests a given value against a list of cases, making your logic easier to follow, especially when working with many distinct options.
How switch statements work.
A switch statement evaluates an expression, then compares its result to a series of constant cases. For each matching case, it runs the corresponding block of code. If no cases match, the optional default case executes. This structure is common in languages like C, Java, and JavaScript, and is ideal for variables with several fixed, known values.
Switch statements versus if-else chains.
While both if-else and switch check conditions, switch statements are designed for scenarios with many discrete options for a single value. They reduce repetition, improve readability, and can sometimes execute faster. If-else chains work better for complex comparisons or range checks, but for simple value matches, switch is more organized and concise.
When to use a switch statement.
Choose a switch statement when you need to compare one variable to many specific values, such as menu selections, command processing, or responding to user inputs. Avoid switch statements for complex Boolean expressions or ranges, as if-else logic is typically better suited for those cases.
Benefits of using switch statements.
Switch statements make code easier to read and maintain. By grouping related actions together, they highlight all possible options and outcomes in one place. This not only streamlines debugging, but can also make programs run more efficiently, especially if there are many options to check. Use them to write clear, efficient, and organized code.